So, today's project, I guess, hopefully it doesn't take me more than one day. It might though, because it's a very big project. Since the S10 does not have what I want as a stereo system, as like, something I could hook my phone up to and like make me play audio from Bluetooth. I got a Bluetooth stereo. That's literally just like a little touchscreen that goes inside. And like you wire it up to the car and stuff. But the problem with that is that I gotta take this and all that fun stuff off. And I gotta start by undoing a bunch of bolts down here. So it's gonna be a very fun day, very long day, very interesting day. Don't know how long this is gonna take me. Sir Padre is inside making breakfast burritos, and it is cold out here. So like, yeah, and it smells like gas because my gas tank has a hole in it. It's not leaking gas, but we don't know what's going on with that thing. So hopefully I'm not working on this till like 4 in the morning because I have school tomorrow, as it is Sunday at 12 o'clock. But we're gonna get her done and see what happens.
What did you get?
A fancy stereo
A fancy stereo.
compared to the 19 something stereo in there.
It's 2002. Come on.
You would think they'd have touchscreens by 2000. That's what I'm saying.
I don't know. It's true.
Ooh. Good job, Mom.
What do you got? You got a harness. You got a kit install. Is there a backup camera with this?
Yeah, it's right there.
This is the backup camera?
And this is the government spyware technique.
And that's so when you accept the call, that'll be the speaker that hears you making the call. Hey, there's the jack for the antenna right there. That means that your antenna, it's going to want a working antenna.
What if it doesn't need a working antenna?
Your antenna doesn't work, dude.
You don't know that.
I do know that, actually.
How do you know that? Have you tested it?
No, because it's a piece of wire wrapped around a string out there.
Hey, you don't know. It still could work.
Maybe. Interesting. Gonna read up, see how to install it? Maybe. Wonder how much cable this backup camera comes with.
Okay.
Oh, I don't need to. How does it mount?
Carefully.
Oh, it looks like it's got plenty of wire there.
It does.
Well, don't separate by pulling the wire apart. Oh, okay. Huh. And it's got a little... Yeah, you have to figure out where to mount this thing.
Somewhere. On the truck.
Yeah. You know what you could do is, if you don't want to put it on the rear bumper or something, you could mount it right inside the cab, just looking out the back window.
Oh, then what would be the point? Then I'll just look over my shoulder.
Well, I don't know. Have to see how much of a fisheye it has, I guess. Yeah, let's go ahead and drop that camera again.
Yeah, I paid for it.
That's true.
I do what I want.
You did pay for it. How much was it?
200?
200?
Yeah.
No.
To be fair, I didn't even know it came with a backup camera.
I did.
Yeah.
I read the instructions. I read the little readout on Amazon, though.
I did too. Apparently, I just missed the part with the backup camera.
Oh, yeah. You got to read all the bullet points.
It said works with Chevy S10 and works with Android. I don't even have an Android, so
Does it work with Apple?
I don't know.
Well, that's the important part.
It showed an Apple background, so I was like, yeah, sure.
Okay.
Why not?
Dude, you got to start reading stuff.
If it doesn't work, we return it. What's the big idea?
You just opened everything, so good luck returning it.
Amazon, I can return a lot of stuff on Amazon. You know how much stuff I've returned from my dirt bike on Amazon?
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so first thing we gotta do let's get your 7mm. We gotta take out a bunch of bolts under here. So yeah, hopefully all these bolts are tight. Hopefully. So that's not a good sign. Starting off with the bolt that's just finger tight under the dash. Maybe that's why this thing's been like sagging so much. I don't know. But I'm gonna get to it. And hopefully I can do stuff here, you know?
Like, if you push down on the parking brake, will it just drop down?
No. There's still one little tiny. What's that?
So what's holding it?
Oh, there's no good angles, man.
Nope, never a good angle to work inside a car.
Angle.
All right, you just connected that. You just disconnected all that. Doesn't work.
Yeah, but how do I get the dome lights to turn off?
Disconnect the battery. Seems like whatever it is should have come out by now.
Ugh.
Yeah?
There we go.
And now that whole thing just comes down?
Ugh. I don't know. Hopefully.
Well, I was just curious because that would be what you need to do to work on your parking brake eventually.
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 Yeah. And now there's something. I mean, first of all, the brake release is holding it in.
Yeah. Gotta take that apart.
Don't know how I do that, but
That's probably what's holding it up on that side then.
think so.
Yeah. If you want to kill the interior lights, or if you want to kill the interior power and stuff like that, you have to disconnect the battery. Now the key is when you disconnect the ground, when you disconnect the negative side, is not to touch the metal to anything. Oh. Okay. Is that? That's off. That's disconnected. That's down. Okay. Good deal. Now the positive hooked up, but it can't get to the negative, so everything inside the truck is dead now.
All right, so we got some progress going on getting this thing off. A little hung up on the wiring over here because, you know, it's wiring and like wiring's hard. But, you know, we're gonna get her done. I also figured out that my parking brake doesn't work. And the YouTube video I was watching was like, oh yeah, put it in gear so it's easier to get the panel off where the gear selector is. And then put the parking brake on. And I was like, oh, let me try that. And then tried to put the parking brake on. The parking brake didn't work. So it's gonna make this like 10 times harder. But you know, it's fine because we're gonna do it, you know. T-minus like 9 hours till I gotta be done with this. So, all right. So first of all, you guys remember these? Yeah, these things sucked. Especially like going to school. I was in school when the whole pandemic was going on. Wearing these things during like recess and PE was just miserable. But good news, we got it off. Tire radio's out. Even gooder news, we finally got the dashboard out. That might have been the most pain in the butt I've ever felt. Thing was just crazy. And now everything's stripped right there. That was the good news. Bad news, I gotta figure out how to put this new whole new stereo in. And hopefully it works, because I honestly just bought it off Amazon. Didn't even know it was gonna if it was gonna work or not. It looked like it was gonna work, so good enough for me, you know. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing this mask, I probably should have said this earlier. Let's see, 24-year-old car. 24, it's been used for 24 years. It's gonna have a lot of dust. And I honestly, there's so much dust, I didn't want to breathe in any of that, because if any persons know anything, any persons, yeah, dust is just dead human skin cells. And like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's nasty. Especially because it doesn't smell like cigarette smoke in the car. But if there was a person who smoked in the car, that would be cigarette smoke, dust, and dust in general. Which is not good either way. But yeah, so I'm going to read up on this manual for this new stereo. And hopefully I can get it all installed. So yeah, also, I don't know what this tool's for. It came with it. It looks like a tool you'd use for like prying something open. I don't even know, but something's going on with that. I don't know what it is. Anyways, I'll check in with y'all soon. All right, so I may have gotten a little excited and forgot to film, but you know, it's fine because we have a working screen, which is good. I don't know if anything else works, but we have a working screen, so that's good. I don't know if my phone's compared to it at all either, but you know, we're working on it. We're working on it. So that's good. That's good. And yeah, this thing has a GPS tracker, backup. Something just really heavy fell in my neighborhood. Good lord. Backup camera. It's got a microphone for like when you want to like ask Siri something. I don't know. Came with a lot of stuff, and there's a lot of ports that lead to nothing, since like nothing else really hooked up either. Very confusing stuff. I don't know. I'll get back to y'all when everything starts working. All right, so I pretty much got everything back together, but when I first put it back together, this was up a bolt and it wasn't good, so I moved that one down. And I was just talking to, you know, my family, and I was trying to get this other bolt down. Can somebody, where is it? Yeah, you guys, I guess you can't really see that. You guys see that? That would be a socket wrench dropped in here, which blows absolute butthole. And my hands are not the tiniest, so I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. But you know, we're gonna find a way. We're gonna find a way. All right, after almost slicing my hand open many times, you see I got very close to it right there. I got it out, and hopefully I don't drop it again. All right, moment of truth. I got everything. Everything's good. It's all done. Haven't turned the car on yet, but we're about to and see what happens. All right, it was a little stuck. It's fine. It's fine. And then this should turn on. Yeah, look at that. Stop beeping. There we go. Yep. And it gets past all that, and sweet. I didn't hit it. I got big old fingers, bro. This is. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Sweet. That time is not right. It says that I'm in 2018 right now. That I gotta change that for sure. I'll fix it later. Sweet. Well, that was quite the adventure. It was really hard just getting this dashboard off, man. That thing sucked to get off. Other than that, it should be all good. That's sweet. Well, everything's done. Hopefully you guys like this video. Just me. Padre did not help at all. Actually, no, he did. He helped a little bit, just to get some of the wiring undone. But it was mainly me, and I'm proud of that. You know. Yeah, I'm gonna love this because I'm Gen Z. You know, I can't use it. I can't use a radio. Who do you think I am? Also, my antenna is like dying. It's on the verge of death. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this one. Make sure subscribe, like the video, and yeah, I'll see y'all next time we do something to this car.